Hi, welcome to Joefield Design, and today is day 28 woohoo, of our 30-day Christmas countdown. So, yesterday we did our opening of our Christmas tree, and today we're going to create some decoration as well. We're going to start with an angel that will be hung on our Christmas tree. So, let's go! You will need Bristol board, white Bristol board, a compass, white glue, paper glue, shimmering ribbon. I'm using silver shimmering ribbon. White wool. I'm using white wool with silver highlights. White iridescent glitter dust, extra fine glitter dust. A palette, paint brushes, wire, tin wire, a styrofoam ball for the head, a ballpoint pen to draw the face, a glue gun, adhesive rhinestones, a scissors, and a pliers. To begin, we're going to create 2 circles. Draw 1 circle. This will be for the body of the angel. So I'm just drawing 1 circle here. And then I'm going to make the radius about 3/4 way of the first circle. And then I'm doing 2 more circles. And I'm also going to draw a radius. The reason why we drew this radius here is because we're going to cut 1 slit. Let me use the larger one so you can see. Along to the center. And this is how we're going to create our cone shape. Now what you simply do is overlap onto each other. Put some hot glue on our fold that is going to be on the top. Two cones for the hands and then 1 cone for the body. The size of the ball must be in relation to the angel, so what I'm going to do is draw a face. This is a cartoon face. I'm using a very fine craft wire, and this is just to make sure that the head is attached a little more stable to the body. I'm going to put some hot glue, and on the bottom of the head I'm going to insert this wire on the bottom of the head. So right there. And I'm going to insert the other end of the head into the top cone, the space on top here for the top cone. Right. I'm going to put some hot glue just to seal the wire on the inside to make sure it doesn't shift for when we hang our angel onto a Christmas tree, it doesn't fall out or come apart. My next step is to paint glitter, and this is a simple process. I'm putting some glue into my palette. And I'm going to put some iridescent glitter. I'm mixing this with my glue, and I'm simply painting the whole body minus the head with this iridescent paint. So our angel has dried, and what we're going to do now is to add embellishments on the edge and some buttons on top. So what we are going to do for this now, and this is our shimmering ribbon. So I'm just going to cut 1 strip, and what I'm going to do is to add a little bit. Now be very careful. If you put too much, I'm going to add my sequins on, just pressing. Be careful that you get burnt. All we have to do now is to attach here. I created 1 plait and then I attached here to it. So to get that plait, I'm just wrapping it around my finger. develop into 3, and I'm going to do a plait. I'm hoping that you know how to do them, but just in case, it's over one direction, then over the next direction, and then when you have your 3 again, repeat the same thing, over one direction and over the next direction. So you have our one plait, and we're going to do the same thing that we had before. Kind of spread it out evenly before. To put some glue and then rest my spread here onto my plait with the glue. Press it down. And I'm going to put a bit of glue more to the center. I'm going to wrap this on her head. Alright, so we are going to attach a string for our angel to hang on our Christmas tree. So we're just going to basically put a knot on the end, open the back of the hair of the angel, attach one bead of glue, rest our string on it, and just put back the hair in that spot, and you have just attached your string to your angel to hang from your Christmas tree. Looking forward for tomorrow. Tomorrow will be day 27 of our 30 days of Christmas. We'll be doing a few more ornaments until we have accumulated enough, and then we're going to go back to decorating our Christmas tree. So this is our first ornament. Alright, see you again tomorrow, guys. Bye.